Cookies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Anubhavi Singh and today we are going to do a very fun video. We are going to recreate my one of the most favorite makeup look which you guys have loved, of course, and also I will answer some of your questions. So I posted a story a few days back and asked you guys that please drop your questions and I'll answer them in this video. So yes, we are here, we'll create a makeup look, and thank you so much for loving my makeup look. Thank you so much. So we are going to recreate it over here. तो पहले हम अपना स्किन केयर करेंगे. So first we are going to do like स्किन केयर. तो मैं ये विटामिन सी का सीरम यूज़ कर रही हूँ which I really love. It fights for your pigmentation and also brightens up your skin. It's really good for people who have really pigmented skin, but also if you are somebody who is using vitamin C for the first time, so please do a patch test क्योंकि विटामिन सी हर स्किन टाइप के लिए नहीं होता है. लाइक मेरा भाई, उसने विटामिन सी यूज़ किया था और उसका स्किन जो है ब्रेकआउट करने लगा. सो बिफोर यूजिंग विटामिन सी प्लीज डू अ पैच टेस्ट. And then we are going to use this Dot & Keys moisturizer which has ceramides, hyaluronic acid, probiotics and rice water in it. So if you have dry skin, you're gonna love this. I really love this moisturizer. It keeps my skin so much hydrated. So I have done my skincare and now we'll start with the makeup. So first we are going to do our eye makeup. तो मैं अपना concealer, पहले मैं अपना eye makeup ही करना पसंद करती हूँ. तो first we'll apply concealer under our eyes, थोड़ा सा eyelids पे भी, somewhere here, like जहाँ भी आपको थोड़ा सा पिगमेंटेशन है, you can apply the concealer all over that place. So our first question is your go-to moisturizer, sunscreen and mist. So my go-to moisturizer is this Dot & Key का barrier repair moisturizer. I really love it. I have dry skin, so this works like magic for me. And I also switch between the moisturizers. तो मैं Pond's का super light gel भी use करती हूँ. If you have oily skin, you can go for it. Oily skin will also love that moisturizer. Even I love it. So I switch between these two moisturizers. And then sunscreen. I really like this sunscreen. If you can see, Aqualogica ka sunscreen. So they are my like go-to sunscreens because I have been using them since so long and they are so good. और ये illuminating वाला ना, अगर आपको आपके मेकअप में थोड़ा सा ऐसे dewy glow चाहिए, so you can go with this sunscreen as a base, and trust me, your makeup will look so dewy, so beautiful. You'll just thank me later. And then my favorite mist. मेरे पास वो मिस्ट ख़त्म हो गया है, बट आई लव टू ऑफ द मिस्ट. पहला है नायका वंडरलस्ट mist which is in lavender. You will love that. I love lavender, so I really like lavender mist. I really like the smell of lavender. So you can try that, or you can try plum ka vanilla mist or Hawaii Rumba. You will love it. Please go and purchase. It's on Nykaa. I will link. तो अब मेरा कंसीलर तो ब्लेंड हो गया है. Now I will just set it with a setting powder. So we are going to use these two shades. यार दिख रहा है या नहीं? हाँ दिख रहा है, these two shades and this I'm going to mix and use as my base. So take a fluffy brush which I've already used. इस पे लगा ही हुआ है तो मैं ज़्यादा नहीं लगाऊंगी. I'll just mix it up and use my base. तो गो फर्स्ट ऐसे क्रीज पे जाओ, वहाँ अच्छे से ब्लेंड कर लो. बहुत ज़्यादा कलर लगाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. ऑलरेडी मेरे ब्रश पे थोड़ा सा कलर लगा हुआ है तो इसलिए आई एम नॉट गोइंग विथ टू मच कलर, जस्ट minimal. So the base is done of the eye makeup. Now we'll go with the shimmer part. But before that, we'll read the next question and answer that as well. So the next question is, okay, this is not a question, it is a compliment. So the compliment goes like, you're doing great work, girl. Proud of you. Thank you so much, Dee. I love you so much. It feels so good. Like I feel blessed when I see most sweetest people around me. They compliment me each and every day on my stories, on my reels. They come up and they drop a very sweet compliment that you're doing great. And especially when it comes from a girl, it feels more special. Like all the girls out there can relate to me why I'm saying that. So thank you so much, Dee. I really love you. Please let the compliments coming, because that makes me so happy, and it makes me so motivated to do like better and better every day. So we'll go with the shimmer part. थोड़ा सा जाएंगे. Yes. Now we'll apply this. ये थोड़ा सा pinkish है, so I use it like in the outer corner of the eyes, like just here. And same I'm going here. थोड़ा outer corner पे मैं लगाती हूँ ये. To give a like pop of color, like yeah, it's looking good. It's looking good. वापस थोड़ा golden shimmer यहाँ लगाते हैं. This makeup is very subtle, so I'm using this L'Oreal का tinted serum. I have been obsessed with this serum. It's so good, but the packaging is really bad. So I go with this every single time. मैं सारे मेकअप प्रोडक्ट्स के लिए ये यूज़ करती हूँ. मुझे हेवी फाउंडेशन बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है. आई प्रेफर मोर ऑफ द टिंट्स ओवर फाउंडेशन, बिकॉज पहली बात तो गर्मी है, दूसरी बात इतना हेवी फाउंडेशन मुझे पसंद ही नहीं है. आई लव टिंट्स मोर देन सीरम. ओ सॉरी, क्या बोल रही हूँ मैं. आई लव टिंट्स मोर देन फाउंडेशंस. सो द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्या है नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन? हाउ आर यू सो प्रिटी? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, थैंक यू सो मच. I am so pretty because my mama is so pretty. She is the most beautiful lady, and I think that's why I am so pretty. Read the next question. The next question is I want to make my skincare kit, but I don't know where to start. I have dry skin. Oh, even I have dry skin, so we are dry skin girlies. So for dry skin, you can go with Simple ka cleanser. It's really very good, gentle on skin. Then for toner, you can use Plum's Niacinamide Rice Water Toner. It works great for dry skin. Then next for serum, you can use L'Oreal's Paris Hyaluronic Acid Serum. It's the best. And then next, ending it with a moisturizer. You can use Dot & Key's moisturizer, which I have told you, and Pond's Super Light Gel can also be a good option for you. And ending it with a good sunscreen, you can go for Aqualogica sunscreen or Wishcare sunscreen as well. They both are really good. Now we will do our brows. So first I'll brush my brows ताकि अच्छे से सेट हो जाए, and then I will go with the pen. So I am using ये ELF का brow pencil. I'll show you guys if you can see. तो मैंने ये नायका के सेल पे लिया था, काफ़ी टाइम से आई एम यूजिंग इट. इट्स प्रिटी गुड, बट आई वांट टू गो नाउ फॉर some other brow product. So brows are done. And now we'll read the next question. So the next question is your favorite lip balm. So यार सबको पता होगा favorite lip balm Indie Wild. Indie Wild के lip balms are my favorite. They are so good. मैं कितनी ही तारीफ़ करूँ, मतलब हर जगह मैं तारीफ़ ही करती रहती हूँ Indie Wild के lip balms की. They are too good. You should try this. The most tricky part, my eyeliner which I applied, so it was not a eyeliner. मैं eyeliner नहीं अप्लाई कर पाती हूँ सही से, so I used the काजल. मैंने यहाँ से यहाँ तक के काजल को अच्छे से स्प्रेड किया, यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक, एंड देन आई यूज्ड माइसेलर वाटर. मैंने जो कॉटन पैड होता है ना उस पर, मतलब मेरे पास एक ब्रश है जिसके ऊपर कॉटन ऑलरेडी रैप्ड है, तो मैंने उस पर माइसेलर वाटर लेके उसको एकदम साइड से थोड़ा क्लीन कर दिया था. जो ज़्यादा स्मज हो गया था यहाँ तक के, उसको मैंने क्लीन कर दिया था. वो बहुत प्यारा सा वो विंग आईलाइनर टाइप का इफेक्ट आया था. केम अप लाइक दिस. मैंने यहाँ से ऐसे किया, फिर यहाँ से थोड़ा सा मैंने ऐसे, ओ शिट, ऐसे नहीं कर पाऊंगी मैं. एंड देन आई केम ऐसे, सीइंग दैट ऐसे. तो ये थोड़ा यहाँ ज़्यादा स्प्रेड हो गया ना, इसको मैं भी माइसेलर वाटर से क्लीन करूँगी. आई विल डू सेम हेयर ऑल्सो. ओके, जय माता दी. ये आईलाइनर लगाना ना एक अलग टास्क लगता है मुझको. वैसे आईलाइनर लगाने के लिए ना कुछ ऐसा मशीन आनी चाहिए जो अपने आप लगा दे. मैंने देखो स्प्रेड तो कर दिया अच्छे से एकदम. अब मुझे माइसेलर वाटर से क्लियर करना पड़ेगा. So let me clean it with micellar water. अब ये अंदर भी नहीं जा रहा है. Now we'll go with the mascara. It's Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara. I use it mostly. So we'll see the next question as well कि क्या है. So the next question is how you thought of starting content creation. So the thing is, I never thought of starting content creation. I never thought कि मैं content creation start करूँगी, because it was not on my list ever. But कहते हैं ना that destiny takes you where it has to. So basically जब मैं क्लास 12th में थी, मतलब मैं क्लास 12th से जब पास आउट हुई थी, तो आई यूज़ टू सी व्लॉग्स ऑफ सो मेनी क्रिएटर्स, और मुझे बहुत मज़ा आती थी. एंड आई यूज़ टू थिंक कि मैं भी व्लॉग बनाऊंगी, बट मैंने नहीं बनाया क्योंकि आई वॉज नॉट सो कॉन्फिडेंट एट दैट टाइम टू मेक व्लॉग. Then slowly and gradually I developed this interest in skincare and makeup, and I really loved knowing about new skincare products, using them, then using makeup products on my face, doing different makeup at home, and doing makeup in weddings, functions of my family. तो मेरे को वहाँ से स्किन केयर और मेकअप का इंटरेस्ट हुआ एंड आई डिड अ लॉट ऑफ स्किन केयर रिसर्च. आई यूज टू परचेज स्किन केयर एंड मेकअप और मैं बहुत खुश होती थी. So then I came across this, I came across some profiles on Instagram who used to do so much good makeup and they used to tell about skincare. So I used to watch their videos, and then slowly and gradually I got to know that there is something called content creation. So तब से I thought that let's just do it. बट मैं 3-4 साल से प्रोक्रेस्टिनेट कर रही थी और मैं स्टार्ट नहीं कर रही थी. बट दिस ईयर आई परचेज्ड एन आईफोन एंड आई थॉट दैट आई शुड स्टार्ट इट नाउ anyhow. So I started content creation like this. So it was never on my wish list, but it just happened. Okay, so now we are using this K Beauty's blush in the shade Awaken. I really like this blush, the color. So I just go in with this blush and it gives you that soft red kind of color on your face. So I apply it not just here, I apply it like this. Okay, now the next question is your favorite creators. So there are so many creators whom I really love and I love their work. So the first one is Brown Daughter, Janvi Tiwari. I really like her content, the way she makes her content, and I really enjoy every reel, every YouTube video. I really like Gopali Di's vlogs. I love them actually. And then I really like Prableen Di. She is one of the creators who has made me fallen in love with my own skin. I also used to feel like I don't have a good skin. I get breakouts sometimes, and I think that is not a good skin. But when I started watching Prableen Di, something changed and I started accepting my skin as it is. So yes, I also enjoy Prableen Di's content. You should go and watch them. They are great. So let's move up to next questions. So the next is your vibe in 3 emojis. So this is my vibe in 3 emojis. Next is, it's not a question, it's a compliment. You are doing great, cutie. Seeing you grow makes my heart full. Thank you so much. Love you. Thank you so much. I really love you and I'm gonna meet you soon. So the next question is, पहली वीडियो पोस्ट करने में डर लग रहा था? नहीं, पहली वीडियो पोस्ट करने में नहीं डर लग रहा था क्योंकि पहली वीडियो में मैं थी ही नहीं जो मैंने रील पोस्ट की अपने इंस्टाग्राम पे. I was hell scared in the second video because that was a video where I was in it and इसीलिए मैंने उसको वॉइस ओवर दिया है. मैंने उसमें कुछ बोला नहीं है बिकॉज आई वाज सो स्कैर्ड कि मैं क्या बोलूँ. मैं फंबल कर रही थी. तो पहले आई ट्राइड लाइक मेकिंग वीडियो बोल के, बट देन आई वाज so scared, so I did a voiceover of that video. So yeah, I was scared in my second video. Now we are going to end it with our lip combo. So this is Rucha Beauty's Lush Ink Marker in the shade Ochre. That's very fun shade name. I need my mirror. तो इससे we'll line our lips पहले. Okay, so I'll just see the next question. So the next question is your favorite lip shade. I'm applying this. So this is my favorite lip shade, or you can say lip combo. I've also made a reel for my like brown girlies. You want a good brown friendly lip combo, so I have put it up on Instagram. You can go and check out
this, and also seen Bruno doing this, and it actually works.
my current favorite lip shade is like lip combo is Brucha Beauty's Lush Ink in the shade Ochre, and then going up with this Blur's Call Me Daddy mini lipstick in the shade Deep Brown. And also, if you want like a gloss kind of effect on your lips, so you can go with Indie DLT lip balm in the shade Masala Chai. It will give that glossy finish to your lip. So the next question is your favorite beauty and skincare brand. So my favorite beauty brand is like which I've tried is K Beauty. K Beauty have products like I have tried this year only. They were on my wish list since so long, but this year I have purchased some of K Beauty products and I really loved them. So my favorite beauty brand is K Beauty. I really love all the products they have. And I also love Huda Beauty, but I haven't tried a single product from their range. But you know what? I have read so much about their products and have seen so many good reviews about Huda Beauty's products. So I like it's my dream to try Huda Beauty's products someday. So maybe soon. And the favorite skincare brand, it's guess kar lo. Yes, it is Indie Wild. Indie Wild is my most favorite skincare brand. I just love skincare brand like skincare products of Indie Wild. Their lip balms, their sunscreen mist, their moonlight scalp serum, chumpy hair oil, their dark circles like eye cream. I love all of them. I am a free salesman of Indie Wild. I just go everywhere and I say, oh, you have chapped lips, you want a good lip balm, use Indie Wild's lip balm. Oh, you have hair fall, you should try Chumpy hair oil and Moonlight scalp serum. So I am like everywhere suggesting people that use this, use that from Indie Wild because they're actually very good. And I don't love this brand only just because you know it has good skincare products. That obviously they have some very good skincare products, but give attention to their community. So this is one thing that I really love about Indie White. So yeah, these 2 3 are my beauty like favorite beauty and skincare brands. Then next one is foundation कौन सा use करूँ. I am using this L'Oreal's tinted serum foundation. You can definitely go for this one. It's really very good. Go for Dot & Key's a tinted sunscreen. I guess I'm telling you right. That is tinted sunscreen or a moisturizer. I'll just check it out and like put it here. So you can use that also. It's pretty reasonable and has a very like a good coverage. And if you want to use like foundation, you want to go for a foundation, so you can use Inside Cosmetics foundation. I have heard that it is a dupe for Elf Beauty or Charlotte Tilbury foundation, so you can and it's also pretty reasonable and cheaper than this one, so you can go for any of them. Okay, so one last question is left, so I'll just apply the setting spray, which is from Faces Canada. If you can see, yes, this is from Faces Canada. I use this makeup fixer. And I'll let it dry and answer the next question, which is the last question. One thing or situation that changed your life. one thing and situation. I think it will not be one thing or situation, but it will be one person who has changed my life, and that person will be my senior from my college, Arnab Bhaiya, because he has changed my life so much. I remember I was very underconfident girl since day one, and I never believed on myself that I can do what I'm thinking. But he was the one person who always trusted me and saw potential in me, and he said that if you are thinking of it, you can also do it, but first you have to trust yourself, because if you'll trust yourself, the whole world will eventually trust you. So he has been my constant support from day one. So with this, all the questions are answered now, and I have also completed my makeup look. I hope you guys liked it and saw that how I created it. So I also create a lot of makeup looks on Instagram, so please don't forget to follow me on Instagram as well. And if you like this video, so please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my video, because I come up with lots of fun videos on YouTube. So stay tuned on my YouTube as well, subscribe the channel and hit that bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video, you get to know it. Thank you so much, Cookies. Love you.